We're gonna roast some broccoli today. This is a nice, quick side dish for any time, but nice for Thanksgiving as well because it cooks fast and it's really pretty and delish. So I heated my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 centigrade. And as you can see, I have an even layer of broccoli florets in my pan. When you're roasting, important that you don't pile up your vegetables because they will steam, okay? So I'm gonna add some avocado oil to this. I'm going to salt. I cut up a lemon into little pieces like this. I took out the seeds, but as you can see, I left the skin. So I'm gonna scatter this in between my broccoli now. I also sliced some garlic really thinly like this. I will scatter that now. Guys, make sure you look at the recommended links. I'm gonna put one playlist with all our turkeys and stuff, another one with sides, lots of sides for Thanksgiving, and another one for desserts. So make sure you check those out. I cut up some Kalamata olives, and now I'm gonna scatter that in there. Finally, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice on top of everything, half a lemon. And I'm going to roast this for 18 minutes. And then we'll see it. All right, 18 minutes, guys. These are nice and cooked. If you want them to be a little darker, you can leave them up to 25. This is how we like ours. I just think this is so pretty with all those colors. I love the combination of all these flavors. Love the little lemon and the olive and the whole thing. I also love that this broccoli isn't overcooked. It's delicious. Explosion of flavors. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.